Hello everyone, welcome to Joe Duffy BMW here in Charlestown. In our showroom today we have this beautiful BMW X330e in skyscraper grey. Coming towards the side we can see your beautiful 19-inch diamond cut alloys, as well as BMW adaptive LED headlights, the iconic kidney grills, as well as coming towards the side we can see your eye black gloss trims all around the car, privacy glass, as well as automatic open and close boot with plenty of space and storage here on the sides as well as around the car. And because it's a hybrid, you can also store your cables here. You can close the button as well. Going to the back seats we can see your grey seats, as well as ISOFIX child security system with the armrest, as well as storage on the doors with your cup holders, two vents and some climate controls as well here on the back. Coming to the driver's side, all of the seats are regulated automatically, as well as a beautiful black leather steering wheel with all of your cruise controls as well as MIDI settings and two adaptive paddle shifters. Towards the front we have this beautiful cluster with the single screen coming towards the middle, where on the center console we can control our navigation, our media, as well as our rear view camera and parking sensors. All controllable on this side, where you can see our parking view, assist view and panorama view as well. This X3 has ambient lighting all around the car. If on the center we have a place to store your phone, two cup holders, as well as you can control our navigation, media, you can control your modes and fully automatic transmission. In storage you also have plenty of space here on the middle as well as on the sides, with a cup holder there as well as on this side. On the door panel we have fully automatic open and close mirrors as well as windows around the car. On the climate controls, here you can control all of our fully automatic climate controls with heated seats on both sides, as well as at the front you can see all of our kilometers per hour as well as your speed limit. This build for X3 is available for purchase across our various car sale websites, as well as the Joe Duffy BMW website. All of our BMW approved used cars come with the standard 2-year warranty. If you have any further questions, queries, or want to book a test drive with us, please feel free to contact us here at Joe Duffy BMW. Have a great day. My name is Tomas. Thank you so much.